What's up guys, I'm Louis and this is my girlfriend Monica. I hope you liked my Harry Potter styled intro. Sadly, we have a very cloudy day today, but we never have time to make videos, so let's get right into it. So this past Christmas, I decided to get myself a skateboard, and amongst other gifts, I decided to get Monica a skateboard. Now, I know what you're thinking, Louis, why would you get Monica a skateboard? Well, for one, these aren't just any skateboards, they're electric skateboards. And two, I wanted to give ourselves a gift that keeps on giving way past Christmas, something that we can experience together. Let me explain.
This is a Backfire G2 Black, and this is what the back of it looks like.
The Backfire G2 Black retails for $499, but is currently on sale for $429 at the time of the making of this video. It has two different modes, Eco and Sport. It can go up to 24 miles per hour in Sport mode, and the range can be up to 12.5 miles on a single charge that'll usually charge up within 3.5 hours. It has a 7-inch front truck and new updated back truck, which are the best you're going to get around this price range for carbing and stability and high-speed riding. The deck is made of maple, finished in black, and the wheels are 96mm replaceable wheels which can handle bumpy roads and has a comfortable ride even though it is the entry-level model. The G2 Black comes with a remote that'll control acceleration and regenerative braking. It also has forward and reverse with battery level indicators.
And this is the Backfire G3, and this is the bottom of it. The Backfire G3 is currently priced at $799, but you can use coupon code G3SALE150 for $150 off your purchase at the time of the making of this video. It has 3 different modes, Eco, Sport, and Turbo. It can go over 28 miles per hour in turbo mode, and the range can be up to 18 miles on a single charge that'll usually charge up within 2 hours. It has front and back caliber 2 trucks, which are the top of the line trucks for carbing and improved stability in high-speed riding. The deck is made of flexible bamboo with fiberglass, and the wheels are 96mm replaceable wheels which can handle bumpy roads and has one of the most comfortable rides in the Backfire lineup. The G3 is made even more water resistant to ease your mind when you hit rain or puddles, and comes with LED lights to make you visible at night or make you the center of attention. It comes with a remote with an LED display that'll tell you your speed, has cruise control, and that'll control acceleration and braking that can make a big difference in emergency situations, like the one demonstrated here. When a little girl got in my way, I managed to jump off and react fast enough to push the brakes on the board so the little girl wouldn't get hit.
Oh, that was a first near-death experience on the bluffs.
I know, dude. Goddamn. Caught that on camera.
You're good.
Get out the way. Dude, I think these skateboards have brakes.
No shit, dude. Oh, that would have been all bad.
Here, let's take a look at that a little slower. Alright guys, so it's actually super cloudy here in Bakersfield, so we're gonna head down to Santa Monica and Venice, and hopefully it's a lot more sunny over there. See you guys there. If you guys like these boards, I will leave a link in the description. There will be 2 links. There will be an Amazon link, and then there will be the actual link for the website. Also, these boards just came out in December. I haven't seen anybody in Bakersfield with these, so we're probably the first ones with them. So they're turning a lot of heads whenever we're like riding them around. It's pretty cool.
Also, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe on our video, and let us know if you want to see more. Thank you.